Control number 42477, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Ruby Davalos. I'm 43 years old. I'm married. I have daughter. She's 8 years old. I have 4 brothers and sisters, 6 sisters. I'm fourth one in the family.
What is your education attainment?
I'm high school graduate at Mountain Light Academy.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself and to support my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, in Saudi Arabia. 4 years as domestic helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I'm ready to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newborn babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies?
I take them a bath, feed them, and change them diaper and play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking and baking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Arabic food, biryani, and masibus.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I ask, apologize, and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a nice experience, and they treat me like a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if ever you choose me as your nanny, I try my best, my duty, and I promise to finish a 2 years contract and more. Thank you very much.